Alright guys, so this is part 3, and we have a lightning show is still going on down there, including a bunch of lightning strikes, and it's close to 5 of the 30, which is after 5:15. So yeah, we have a bunch of lightning shots here in the first part, including the second part. Now, this is part 3. If you heard me talking in the part 2 video, so in the first part, I'll do in the morning, like around like I don't know, like starting around 8 a.m. or something, or no, probably around like 7 a.m. I'll do that. Or, well, it kind of all depends. So for me, like 7 or 8. Well, I guess around 8 a.m. This morning, and then I'll upload the part 2 around like 9 a.m. and then the third part around 10 a.m. So you people will probably see it, that what's going on, all that. Yeah, and definitely got that shot. And it's starting to get a little brighter, which I can see the I can see the blue ones. Because the sun is gonna be coming up. Well, the sunrise is gonna be coming up pretty soon. Like couple minutes after 6, I guess. Or is it? Or I don't know. Maybe it's like after 5:45 or something. I don't know. I just don't know of these things. I can see the blue sky. I think that was the ending part. There's the storm. It's now. Yeah, it's moving to the east. So, man, what a show that was. So that was a really good show. Ooh, that was pretty amazing. And the killing this morning, it's well, it still is in the weekend, and it's Sunday, July 14th, 2024. So, and they will probably say, well, it's whichever the weather man. I mean, well, well the what the meteorologist that will say. Yeah, I've been watching Calland weather now since when I was a kid, because I really enjoying this, because it really helps me to know that when the storm is coming. Excuse me, that was gross. Yep, we are still under a severe thunderstorm watch. Sounds like I can see the sky is right there. It's probably the ending on the right side. So yeah, that was a good show. So that was a good show. A good show. Why I cannot say show? Yeah, to me, I it does not it does not let me talk these days. And coming up in theaters July 19th is the Twister 2 is gonna be coming in theaters, which I am excited about that because yeah, I saw that one. And I am really excited to see how they do like a Twister movie before uh it's like a 1996. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what year this is. Yeah, that has been a long time. It's been about like the past like 28 years ago. That was a long time. Well, now it's time because we're definitely going to see it. So that's what our plans is. So yeah, it's 76 outside. Yeah, Alright. Sounds like it's sounds like it is done for now, so I will let you guys go, and then I will see you again tonight. That if there's going to be a severe storm uh, for us, so well, we just have to see. All right, see ya.